Welcome back to QMark's vlog. We hope you FarrowArm users found our first vlog helpful. Today we're going to be talking about a product line we developed for Mitutoyo Linear Height Gage users. Customers often find indicator styli to be costly to replace, at about $200 or more per probe, and extremely limited in sphere sizes. We thought, why not just make a Mitutoyo compatible stylus holder with a stainless steel body that allows the user to change out the stylus end. Your first purchase of the new holder will save you about 50%, and future replacements will save you 75% off the OEM replacement. QMark already has a wide variety of threadless styli and sphere material options available. So now a Mitutoyo Linear Height Gage user can have all these options and be able to set the length themselves. Here we have 3 different holders in our threadless styli category. MH10 is for 1mm stems, MH15 is for 1.5mm stems, and MH20 is for 2mm stems. Since many of you have a CMM in your quality department, you may already have a supply of M2 or M3 threaded styli. These adapters will allow you to put those to use. Each holder has an 8mm diameter stainless steel body to fit the height gauge, with an M2 or M3 female thread on the end. So the next time you need to replace a stylus on your Mitutoyo Linear Height Gage, you can purchase a compatible holder and a stylus at half the cost of the OEM replacement. If the sphere becomes worn or damaged, just remove the tip, place a new stylus in the holder, and save about 75%. If you have any questions, please call us at 949-457-1913 or email sales@cmms.com. We're here to help.